I started my upper cervical journey in 1979. I had been in a car accident, actually in 1976, not understanding how that would affect my health. I started having what I learned later to be sciatica. By the time I got to my first upper cervical chiropractic appointment, I was in a wheelchair. The sciatica had started in my back right hip, had moved down my leg to my knee and all the way down to my foot to the point where I couldn't sit. I was working, standing up. We had to put my typewriter on top of a cabinet. We went to the movies. I'd have to stand up to the side to watch the movies. And it got to a point where finally I just couldn't use that leg much at all. So I was in a wheelchair. I was going to Kaiser doctors, and it took them 9 months to finally determine that I had sciatica. At that point, unfortunately, they had shot me full of cortisone at one point, thinking that would help, and I had a miscarriage, not knowing I was pregnant. So then fast forward, I'm now sitting in front of this upper cervical chiropractor I had been referred to, and I'm mad, and I don't listen to him. He's trying to tell me, it took him 5 minutes to tell me I had sciatica, where it took the other doctors 9 months to tell me I had sciatica. So I thought, I've got nothing to lose. I can't walk as it is. So he adjusted me, and he told me ahead of time. He said, put a rubber band on your finger as tight as you can and let it sit. And of course, the pain starts, it hurts, then it's uncomfortable, and then the finger goes numb. He says, what I'm going to do is I'm taking that rubber band off. Now, all the blood supply, all those nerves, and it's going to be painful. It hurts. And then suddenly it's not numb anymore. Now it's aching, it hurts, it's painful. And then it all stops hurting. That's exactly what happened to me. He did the adjustment. The next morning, I thought, oh my God, this is horrific. I'm in so much pain. But then I realized, wait a minute, I'm in pain. I can feel things again. So as he told me every step of the way, that was 1979. Fast forward, I moved back to San Diego. Thank God there is now an upper cervical chiropractic office here in San Diego. Start out with Jessica Lee, now with Dr. Mercedes Cook. Couldn't be happier. I have vertigo from time to time. That's when I'm out of adjustment. I come in here, I get adjustment, vertigo, gone. Sciatica, I hardly have that at all unless I've really let myself go and haven't been in to see you guys when I should. But it helps me with everything, my overall mood, my depression, all of that. I'm just a healthier, happier person because of upper cervical chiropractic.